welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the silhouette for the next mythical epic, which is going to be Florifox variant. It looks like this, and there are already a few things that you can see when you look at it. So I'm assuming this will come out probably on June 28th, June 29th, or July 5th, because this, for Riptide, it came out a little earlier, so I'm assuming that since Prodigy accidentally got it into the game files early and hackers got it, they might have just released it earlier so that people wouldn't have to wait. But yeah, we are going to look at the comparisons. So right here we have the rose tail, and this one actually has three tails, or three roses on it, so that is one difference. I'm assuming this one's going to be, or I think this one will be a little darker green or lighter green. It's not going to be the same color because none of the other mythical epics have been exactly the same color. So that is the color I think it's going to be. The ears will probably be red. I wish it would be like black, yellow, and green, but that's probably not going to happen. And then there's another one coming out, maybe, because normally Prodigy would not have another one coming out since Florifox would be the last mythical epic they could make a variant of, because we have Big Hex, which has already been one, Arcturus has already been one, Dividile has already been one, Magmischief. All of them have already been made variants for, except for Florifox. So it's a little weird that they'd have another one coming soon. So maybe we could be seeing another mythical epic after that, but that would have to be one that Prodigy would make on their own. So yeah, that's pretty much going to end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.